Bo here, Circle B Farms. We're out on the tractor ride today. Get y'all a little video of us putting along here. Get y'all some more footage when we all get in a turn, and maybe I can get all the tractors here. Well, the old 8n's doing pretty good still. We just putting along in high 3. Got this, this 8n's got the Sherman transmission. It's got high and low range in it. Doing pretty good. This thing sounds so much better since it ain't squeaking. Hard to drive and film sometimes. Yep, we got a John Deere and a hay baler here. Kubota pulling a hay rake. They gonna do some actual work. We outplay it. Curve here. Making the turn here. Massey Harris 50. Right. Pushing some dirt and loading a dumpster. Good looking topsoil he's pushing. John Deere 700L, and we got a Volvo. I can't tell the size of the head over there. Never know what you don't find when you're out riding around. He's a big longhorn. I don't know if that's a bull or a cow. They're pretty late, pretty house. Nice big longhorn. 2 of them, I believe. I'd like to have one of them heads mounted on my wall. Guys, the tractor ride was fun, but I almost had an accident. The old the axle nut come off and my wheel scooted over, so that ended my tractor ride. I had to go back and get my tractor about probably 3.5 miles from the end of the ride, so I had to ride back with somebody, but that ain't no big deal. Made it. They seen my nut in the road. Thank God we didn't have a wreck, but had a nice ride. I'll get all this footage together, and remember to like, subscribe, and share. And thanks everybody for watching. So we'll have a video putting this axle nut back on coming up. Thanks everybody for watching.